Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another video. I have gone ahead and created this beautiful look for you guys. ये look आप किसी भी outfit पे कर सकते हो. It's gonna look so good and it's not gonna look crazy. It's not gonna look like you have done too much of makeup. ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगने वाला है. Before we could go ahead and get this started, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. दोनों के ID मैं यहाँ पे ऊपर link mention कर दूँगी. Without doing any further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, I have these nails on. Guys, if you guys are wondering what is there on my head, तो मैंने heatless curl thing. Even I would suggest all my viewers to go ahead and do hairstyles which are almost like heatless so that you have less damage to your hair. पहले ही मेरे बाल बहुत बर्बाद हो चुके हैं तो मैंने सुबह पे थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाया था फेस पे. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग अहेड एंड रिमूविंग दैट वन. मैं हर वीडियो में बोलती हूँ टू क्लीन योर फेस बिकॉज आई नो how important it is to have your face clean before you put on any product on your face. क्योंकि आपकी मेहनत बर्बाद हो जाएगी अगर आपका फेस क्लीन ना हो तो.
2000 years later.
So फेस अच्छे से क्लीन हो गया है. As you guys know that I always start with toner and moisturizer. So मैं ये वाला moisturizer यूज़ कर रही हूँ, फ्लिका का है. It's a good moisturizer. You can definitely give a try. I love to apply moisturizer before starting my makeup. A few people they do apply moisturizer once they complete the entire eye makeup. उसके बाद जब आप face makeup लगाते हो उस time पे you go ahead and use moisturizer. But for me, since I have dry skin, I just go ahead and apply it prior to that. And थोड़ा सा lip balm. I'm going to be starting with my eye. हम लोग अभी फिल करेंगे हमारे ब्राउज. इसको थोड़ा सा सूखने देना. I use this brow gel just in case if anybody wants to know what brow gel that I'm using. It's from ELF.
One eternity later.
Okay, once this is done, so I'm going to be taking my concealer brush and going ahead and shaping them and as well as cleaning them. Okay, हम लोगों ने कंसीलर अच्छे से लगा लिया है. I'm going to be starting with the black eyeshadow itself. So let's go ahead and first I'm going to be just applying this. As you can see, I have hooded eye, तो मेरा eyeshadows दिखना थोड़ा सा difficult है. So I am gonna keep my black eyeshadow a little bit top till here, so that even if I open my eye, it has to be visible.
डिप्रेशन
ले रही हूँ वाइट कलर. या यू हर्ड मी राइट, वाइट कलर. एंड इसको हम लोग यहाँ पे ब्लेंड करेंगे. सो व्हेन यू गो अहेड एंड ब्लेंड इट विथ वाइट कलर, यू गेट लाइक ग्रेइश टोन on the outer corner. Can you see that? Go ahead and retouch some black shadow. थोड़ा सा फीका लग रहा है. Trust the process. It's gonna look beautiful at the end. Okay, now it is looking little bit crazy, but it's completely fine. जो आंखों के नीचे से मॉइस्चराइज़र है उसको हटा देना, because it's really important. Because now let's go ahead and do our face makeup. उसके बाद हम लोग complete करेंगे eye makeup. Before we could proceed, let's go ahead and highlight our brow bone. तो मैं थोड़ा सा silver shimmer ले रही हूँ and going ahead and applying that on the brow. I am obsessed with shimmers, glitters. Now let's go ahead and start with our face makeup. That what I would be doing is I would be going ahead and applying some foundation first, and then उसके बाद we are going to be continuing other steps. Alright? I think foundation लगाने से पहले I want to go ahead and apply some primer today. Because I want this makeup to last long. जैसे कि आपको पता है मेरा बर्थडे है. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god! I really love this glow that I get from this primer. Now let's go ahead and apply some foundation. मैं हमेशा थोड़ा सा लाइट ही रखती हूँ foundation because I want a little bit lighter tone skin. Okay, हमारा फाउंडेशन लग चुका है ना. अब बारी है हमारे कॉन्टोर की. Now let's go ahead and do our nose contour. Now it's time for some highlight and concealer. मैं कंसीलर यही कंसीलर वाले ब्रश से कर रही हूँ. Let me go ahead and start with this because I don't need much coverage here on my chin, and I am really loving this eye makeup. बहुत ही सुंदर आया है. Okay, now it's time for our blush. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ब्लश देंगे तो इस लुक पे और चार चांद लग जाएंगे. It's gonna look like super glam. Beautiful. Wow, I love this color. I think. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and highlight our face. The only thing that I need to go ahead and add is my eyelashes. Great. Okay, now last thing that we would be doing is I like to remove my lip balm. अगर आप matte lipstick लगा रहे हो then lip balm is good. Matte liquid lipstick especially. Or else I would recommend you to remove it. थोड़ा सा foundation लेके यहाँ पे. I love this color. Now let's go ahead and fix our entire makeup with the fixing spray. Make sure that you avoid eyes. By the way, if you want to go ahead and practice your makeup, if your pocket is not allowing much higher brand, like MAC or something, then you can use a Swiss Beauty wala fixer. It's really nice. It really makeup उतना ज़्यादा हिलता नहीं है. It stays on the place. Wow, really nice. This is the finished look. Let me go ahead and open my hair and come back. Okay, so yeah, this is my final look. Wow! और वो heelless जो भी मेरे सर पे यहाँ पे 2 buns थे, it is for this heelless curls. Mashallah, look at this, how bouncy my hair are. That will be all, guys. I hope you like this video. तब तक के लिए wish me a happy birthday. Bye, beauties.